Uy. Gravity. Oh. Uy, may secret passage. Hey, Dora Yar. Wag? Hugutin? What is this? Crematorium crypts or ovens were used for people who died for contagious disease, such as malaria, leprosy, yellow fever. The bowels were cremated to prevent contagion or epidemic. Parang ano? Parang COVID. Kaya iba. Ay, buti nga, wala mga buto-buto eh. Sa bagay, naging abuda nga eh. Di ba? What you think? Save did ba to? Save? Siya tayong lahat. Alright. Go, go, go. Oops, aray ko, nangtog ako. Char. Mga kaluluwa. Ganun. Kumatok baka magising yung kaluluwa.